You will receive one 3-count pack of Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots treatments. Play again. Powerful Pro V formula lets you style over and over without fear of damaged hair. Target extreme damage, helps prevent and repair split ends. UNDONE transforms even the most damaged and dry hair. More great hair days, visibly healthier, shinier, stronger hair, strength against damage versus non-conditioning shampoo. Discover more from the Pro V collection. Pantene's classic Pro V collection is full of favorites that help keep your hair looking and feeling fresh. Discover the power of Pro Vitamin B5, for beautiful, healthy-looking hair. Color. Ampoule Rescue Shots Wondering how to fix damaged hair? Now you can rescue your damaged hair with intensive repair. We know you damage your hair with all the heating, primping, straightening and styling you do. And we're here to tell you, play away. With Pantene Intense Rescue Shots Hair Ampoules, you can feel free to do what you want with your hair, knowing we can help rescue hair from any damage. Our most concentrated formula helps repair and restore damaged hair, even after damage caused by styling, heat damage and chemical treatment. That means #more great hair days. So go ahead and play with your hair, because we've got your back. Top reviews from the United States. Love, love, love. This is genius packaging and easy to travel with. Pantene is making a bit of a comeback after changing too much of their hair care. They took away some of the most popular items that people can now find for hundreds of dollars on eBay. I started buying Pantene again when they started selling these easy to find on Amazon. I have long thick hair and I can get at least 2 uses out of one tube.